Today I'll be talking about YouTube, sorry, not YouTube, iOS volume uh, UI changes, so notification. So um, the main problem with this is it obstructs my UI and I hate it a lot. So this is the new kind of some notification user feedback which their iOS has given. So, so, so wanted to do this customization like this one or something like this, which we can actually use, and it doesn't obstruct any of the UI. Hardly it obstructs. So, trying to do this. So this is way behind what I generally know about Apple. So this is very bad. So I love this one. This is a Twitch UI, so they have made it very good. YouTube has only added it to the landscape mode, so this is good, but I would have appreciated if they have added it to this particular portrait mode also. They have added only to the full screen video mode itself. So let's go ahead, let's see what we need. So basically yeah, we need a slider, but we need to contain it in the view, or we can add directly a slider. Let's say slider view. Okay, add it here, say, and I don't want the thumb tint to be present, and let's see, I want the minimum track tint kind of red. I'm not sure why this. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, I think it's my fault. Okay, we are good to go. Okay, I'm not that great designer, but yeah, this looks fine for me. And yeah, let's have an outlet for this. So let's go to view controller. So let's add an outlet. We don't want volume view, we don't have it. So let's bring up the editor. Let's connect this to our slider. Yep, here it goes, and we are good to go. Need not worry about now about the this one. Say let's add a dummy MP volume view, without which it doesn't work. So we need a volume view, so let's just say let volume view equal to mp volume. For some reason my Xcode is hanging. Okay, first of all we need to add media player view controller, sorry, media player framework. Okay, now that we have it, let's just, okay, so what we are doing here is we are getting the mp volume view. So this will be dummy volume view. So we are making is false and we are giving it very minute alpha. I wanted to customize this, but somehow I was not able to customize this. So basically we need to see how we can customize. So I add it to the subview. So this is done. Now let's set up my volume view. So right now we don't have volume view. So what I'll do is I'll make the volume slider alpha to 0. So this is to begin with. I don't want it to be in the visibility mode. So then bring the subview to the front because we have added this. So we'll bring it to the front and then we will add a notification. So this is the notification. Volume did change is the function which we'll be going to write, and this is actually the notification. So AV system controller underscore system volume did change notification. So we are observing this notification in our view controller, and now we are going to add the method volume change method. So here what we are doing, we'll get the float value from the volume. Okay, and first thing we have to do is make the volume view visible. So we are making the alpha back to 1, and volume slider value is set to the volume. So we want to bring the slider to the front. Then okay, now next thing, we need to hide the volume slider. So what we need to do is we will animate it with a 0.8 second animation duration with the delay of 3 seconds, and then we'll, just for the sake of options, we'll add curve is out. Then once the animate, what should we animate? We are going to animate the volume slider alpha back to 0. So this is the thing. So let's,
Okay, here is it. Custom UI volume control. This doesn't obstruct your UI anymore. It's just one pixel line.